Hello friends, today I am going to show you the GeoFi 3 device. This is a new device that has been launched by Reliance Jio, and you can get this device only on Flipkart. It shows here 2499 rupees, but you can get it on a special price that is on 999 only. As of now, I know that a lot of people would be knowing about this device, but I'm just making this video to make you understand what we get in this device box. So I will be opening this up in front of you. This is a sealed box, so let's open this up. Here we go, friends. Opening the seal up. So here, seal broken. So here we go. Oh, sorry. You get the device here. This is a round shaped device of Jio. Yes, it's very light to hold, and you get the micro USB charging port here, as you can see here, and you get the power button here, WPS button here, and these are all indicators. I will put the battery here to show you up. What are the things we get? Let us check. 5 steps to be connected everywhere, the Jio manual. Also, this hotspot can be used to make calls. If your phone doesn't have 4G and you're still using a 3G phone, then you can use this device to make 4G calls. You get the official Jio logo charger here. I'll put this aside. We get a charging cable for the hotspot, and you get the battery here. This is the USB, friends. This is the main USB here, because this battery is a huge battery. I haven't seen this in any of the hotspot devices till now. So open it up. You get the Jio logo here also. So this battery is a lithium polymer battery pack with a charging capacity of 3000 mAh. Here you can see here 3000 mAh. So it is the highest in any of the hotspot that I have seen today till now. Okay, let's open this up. We get to open here. Okay, we need to put a nano SIM here with Jio. That should be Jio SIM. And we can also add a standard SD card, micro SD card for the users. Let me put a Jio SIM here for you. Okay, here we go. So the SIM needs to be inserted in this way. Okay, here it is mentioned in which way the SIM needs to be inserted, as you can see here. So I'm inserting it. Okay, the SIM is gone inside. We'll put the battery pack here, and this goes only in one way. This is the charging port. Here you will be getting this one. There is a nice tab here to open it up. So this will be going in this way, and you can close it up. So by default, we have the Wi-Fi passwords and details in here only. So I will set that up later on, but let me just switch it on and show you this shows low battery. I need to charge this device. So that's all, my friends. In the next video I will be mentioning you about how you need to connect this device, how you need to install it. But for a simple and easy task, I will be suggesting you can connect this device using this Wi-Fi passwords and all. You can use these passwords, but it is individual to individual devices. So you will be getting a different passwords in your Wi-Fi device. So using this Wi-Fi device and this SSID, the initial SSID will be also different. You can connect the device and use the Jio fast internets. So thank you for watching, my friends. This is the Jio device 3, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will be very happy to answer you. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one. Do subscribe. Bye bye.